party lights that pop on, or the orientation flip. So if you don't want to have it flip orientation when you're filming, you can turn all that off in the menu. Everything is very customizable on this camera to fit exactly how you're going to shoot. So when we swipe up, you'll see all the camera settings. You can shoot all the way up to 4K 4:3 at 60 frames per second, or 4K 60 by 9 at 120 frames per second. Now when you're using 120 or 100 frames per second, you can't do horizon balancing. You can only use rough steady. So what horizon balancing does is it's going to keep your horizon completely level no matter what you're shooting. So if you rotate your camera left or right,
Hello, test sound. It's a action one maybe ya. Bagus sih. Ini juga bagus sih. Kita lihat keluar. Nggak kalah loh. Cukup bagus ya. Night vision. Wis. Geledek. Oke. Sama reviewnya. Sound compressor. Wis. Plan here. Experiment. Yeah. Low light-nya cukup bagus loh. It's action one. Cuman ada kedip-kedip ya kayaknya. Action one. Moga bagus lah ya. This is a new tool.
Crazy wide, and then you have ultra wide, which is going to be the widest field of view. Okay, so I've switched over to the ultra wide, and you can see just by hand holding this camera how close my fingers are just on the edge in there. You can see them in the shot, so you're getting a super wide shot. You can only